the best portable electric car heaters can be a lifesaver in the winter. Luckily, there are many different electric heating options for cars and larger vehicles, including heaters designed for RVs, compact heaters meant to defrost your windshield, and heated massager cushions that can help you warm up in a hurry. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best portable car heaters on the market. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Number 1. Amazon Basics 500 Watt Ceramic. Amazon's Amazon Basics line delivers simple, common electronics typically at a lower price than rival brands, and that's true with the Amazon Basics 500 Watt Ceramic Small Space Personal Mini Heater. While not packed with a lot of power, this portable electric heater is great for warming up your surroundings in a pinch. Ideal for use in an RV, this 6-inch tall heater can be placed on a table or countertop to provide warmth to any small space. It has tip-over protection to automatically shut off if knocked over, and Amazon sells it in 4 different colors. For occasional heating needs in your RV, it's a very affordable device to keep handy. What we like: great value, compact size. What we don't like: modest heating power. Number 2. ZeroStart 2600900 Interior Car Warmer. Ideal for RVs, passenger vans, and light-duty utility vehicles, the ZeroStart 2600900 Interior Car Warmer packs a lot of heat into a small device, providing 900 watts/120 volt AC/3000 BTU of power. It'll warm up the inside of your ride while also clearing the frost from your windows, getting you both comfortable and ready to roll. Customer reviews suggest that it's great for getting your car toasty warm before you even step out of the house, plus it has a safety sensor that automatically shuts the heater off should it reach extremely hot temperatures. What we like: strong heating power, overheating protection. What we don't like: not for smaller cars. Number 3. Tonson Portable Car Heater. Tonson is a known brand that brings various portable heater options to the market. Among them, this 12V 150 watt car heater is multifunctional that comes with both cooling and heating modes. Thus, it is perfect for demisting or defrosting the windscreens and windows in winter, and also as a cooling fan in summer. Its 180 degrees rotational strong suction cup holds the glass and allows you to install the heater easily or place it on a non-slip mat. It uses the car's cigarette lighter socket to heat the inside car quickly. All you need is to adjust the holder at your preferred angle. With its 10 seconds quick heating feature, it produces hot air for a clear windshield and defogs/defrosts to prevent blurred vision. The dual adjustable wind modes not only bring warmth but also freshens the air inside the car along with preventing frost/fog from the windshield for a safe and comfortable journey. It is widely compatible with cars, taxis, trucks, Jeeps, and SUVs. What we liked: multipurpose and widely compatible. Easy to install and simple to use. 180 degrees rotational base to adjust the direction. What we didn't like: does not have 360 degrees rotational movement. Number 4. Caframo Limited True North Space Heater. Looking to fill your RV with heat and minimize your reliance on propane? Caframo Limited's True North Space Heater provides plenty of warmth for your camper, with 5 heat settings to suit your needs up to a maximum wattage of 1500, plus a dual overheat protection system to avoid dangerous overheating. Customer reviews point to a powerful blast of heat that circulates quickly through your heater and generates only noise, particularly on the lower settings. It's still pretty compact at 9.25 by 4.4 by 4.4 inches and just over 5 pounds, with a metal and plastic look that works well in an RV and can be easily mounted to a wall or ceiling. What we like: powerful heater. Looks like a car heater. What we don't like: reports of non-functional units. Number 5. Kaido Portable Car Heater. Kaido is a known professional car accessory brand in the auto parts field, and they manufacture high-quality products. This 12V 150 watt multifunctional car heater is one of their best product that is preferred by most people. With its adjustable wind mode and dual setting modes, heating and cooling, You can use this portable heater all year to demist/defrost in winter, and as a cooling fan in summer. It solves most of your problems while driving on the road, like foggy windows, cold, frost, snow, bad smell, or rainy weather. Since it is made of high-quality material and long copper cable, it operates with less noise to keep your pets or kids stay warm and comfortable. It comes with a large air outlet designed to remove fog/frost quickly and keep your windshield clear without blur vision. In addition, it can be used as a handheld heater, thanks to its hidden ergonomic handle design. This car heater/defogger is widely compatible with all 12V vehicles like cars, SUVs, trucks, vans, and Jeeps, and is installed anywhere in the vehicle, as it won't block sight. What we liked: cigarette lighter plug design. 360 degrees rotary base and handheld design. Low energy consumption. What we didn't like: takes a bit longer time to warm inside the vehicle. Look for the link in the description box below. If there is another product on the market, or if you found one worth your purchase, let us know in the comments section. If you would like to see a future review, also subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon, so you'll know when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on this channel.